Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on RCS messaging on Android. To turn on RCS messaging on Android, you need to be using a messenger that supports RCS. Now you can use Google Messages to turn on RCS on Android. If you do not have Google Messages app, open Google Play Store on your Android device and search for Google Messages. Install the Google Messages and open the app. Once opened, you want to tap on your profile at the top right corner of your screen. Here you are going to see Messages Settings. Tap on this and you see RCS chats. Tap on RCS chats and toggle on RCS chats. This will start setting RCS chats. Also, while on this page, you can customize the send read receipts, show typing indicators, automatically resend as text messages if a message doesn't go through RCS chats, and also customize your auto download. So thank you for watching this video on how to turn on RCS messages on Android, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.